In our society, women are often blamed for giving birth to daughters. Can you explain why this is not correct? Now let us understand the reason. All human beings have 23 pairs of chromosomes. So totally there are 46 chromosomes. Now, out of these 46 chromosomes, 22 pairs are called as autosomes. Now these chromosomes will have genes which makes the somatic body parts. And there is one pair of allosomes. Allosomes represent X and Y chromosomes. Now the genes present on these chromosomes, they are required for the development of the reproductive structures. So totally 22 plus 1, 23. Now out of these, in case of human males, there are 22 pairs of autosomes and one X and Y chromosome. In case of females, the number of autosomes remains the same. So it is 22 pairs of autosomes but contains 2 X chromosomes. So the allosomes here are of same type, X and X. But in case of male, there is one X and one Y chromosome. The presence of this Y chromosome indicates the embryo will develop into a male, and presence of 2 X chromosome indicates the embryo will develop into a female. Now males are heterogametic. Heterogametic means they produce 2 types of gamete. One gamete will have haploid number of chromosomes, that is 22 autosomes plus either X chromosome or Y chromosome. So they will have 22 autosomes with one X chromosome or 22 autosomes with one Y chromosome. While females are homogametic, they produce only one type of gamete where there would be 22 autosomes with X chromosome. Now in this picture we can see, now these are the male gametes which are heterogametic, 22 autosomes plus X, 22 autosomes and Y. In case of female, all the gametes are same with 22 autosomes and X. Now if the gamete carrying X chromosome fuses with the X, the chromosome number from haploid it is restored to diploid. There would be 22 pairs of autosomes, which is 44, and 2 X chromosome. So this embryo develops into a female. Now if the gamete with 22 autosomes and Y chromosome gets fertilized, fuses with the egg, the chromosomes would be 44 autosomes, 1 X and Y. Now such an embryo develops into a male. Now therefore we can conclude the sex of an individual is determined by the type of a male gamete that fertilizes the egg. So if the sperm carrying X chromosome fertilizes with the egg, the zygote develops into the female. Now, if a sperm carrying Y chromosomes fertilize the egg, the zygote develops into the male. So therefore it is incorrect to blame women for giving rise to a girl child.